Look, hi guys. See, look my mobile. Oh my god. Nabasag na siya. That's why I already difficult to get log. Oh, so sad naman. See? Nabasag po kasi nahulog siya. It's falling down. This is my long time mobile. But what to do, Yani? Baryani. Ay, nako. Kawawa si Inday. I don't have no mobile. Yung kung bigla kasing nabagsak. Oh, tingnan nyo. It's falling down. By mistake and then totally cracked talaga. And then, I give to the shop. The shop tells there's no way to make it okay. This totally damaged. But it's long time with me, this one. First I plug. I use this one until now. It means goodbye my old mobile. Nako. So sad naman. I'm very sad. Hello guys. Good afternoon. Today I have a surprise. Hello. Daddy or my husband gave me a gift because what happened, my mobile since day one almost we're struggling for the download. Now, even no budget, he purchased for me. I want to show you guys. Ano ta? This is the name of this. It's very nice. 1 minute, okay? We will show to Auntie. First time, because my old mobile is already almost 4 years, and then now it's very difficult to download the videos. It's ham, but very pretty, guys. Thank you so much, Daddy. See? Balagway kwarta. Ano ni kamot para makakwarta. Now I can download easily, and then very clear also the video, and then the picture also is very clear, and then available this one, the casing, transparent casing only, guys. Ito lang muna because no need to buy because no more budget, but this is enough. As long the camera is good, it's okay. Charger kasi walang budget, next time na lang. Thank you so much, Daddy. So, I'm going to show you guys. It's very clear. Very clear, guys. Diba? And then, my old mobile is here, which is I'm using since day one. It's the one, my old mobile. And then, almost 4 years, this one. 4 years. And then, I will remove the casing, guys, ha? It's very difficult, this one. Mommy? See, the key is already almost decay also this. That's why maybe it's always hanging. Because always, see, the casing. You can identify the casing. Kasi walang budget. Unahin muna Bryce and milk of Sophia. That's why I told to my husband, why you buy it today? We need to pay the school. No budget for school. But he told that we need to make. Now I need to work out, guys, so that I can earn. Please support my channel. Thank you for my new subscriber and old subscriber. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment, please. See? Say hi, Sophia. Say hi. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy Sorendra, for the gift. Mommy will work hard now more.